So what's up guys, my name is Mayuk and watching TechSafe. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about how I make this one website using HTML and CSS. And also I'm showing you this website also and this website code also, how I made it, or the code and things. So it will be very helpful for some people who are in this field now. I'm actually running this now. Currently I have completed most of the HTML and CSS features and things, and I have to complete my JavaScript. I have not completed that one, so let's start with this one. As you can see in the computer screen, I have opened the Visual Studio Codes thing. I've opened the software, so I'm using the laptop which I'm using is the HP ProBook 450 G2. It's having 4 GB of RAM and we're having an i3 processor. I think it's 5th generation. It can run very easily on the things. And the Visual Studio Code, I'm using this as my code editor. So let's dive into the files and all things of this thing, the website. So you can see these are the folders for this website. This is the blog page folder, contact page, copyright page and home page, and all the folders. So before building our website, you have to make it serially and separately so it is more organized. So let's start, and let me start explaining all the things about this website. So as you can see in the front, in the first line of the code, doc.html is written, so by which the browser will know this is an HTML document. After that, and on the things this HTML I'm using is HTML5, the most latest, and also I'm using CSS3, which is the most latest. And in HTML, as you can see in the second line of the code, HTML language English is written, by which the browser will know that the content in this website is written in English. After that, you can see the head tag is started here. After that, the meta tag are there, and also the title tag of the website is there. So meta tags are means sometimes some of the users don't these developers don't give, but it is very nice to give this thing, and it is necessary also to give this one. So meta chart series value is there, UTF-8 chart sheet value. None of the things, description, content, name, viewport, these things are given. After that, I have linked one front for this website. As you can see, this is the front. It is named as Poppins from Google Fonts. I have taken this and I have linked there. From there, I have linked. As you can see, the link tag is there, and the href tag is there. I have connected that one. Two style sheets are there. After that, I have put in my own CSS style sheet. As you can see, I have written ps.css. You can see, friends, this is the style sheet or the CSS. After that, as you can see, the head tag is closed. After that, the body tag is started. As you can see, header ID is given. On the things, ID is necessary also in class also. After that, the logo is given, and you can see this is the logo. Then the nav tag is started from here. So these are the nav links. As you can see, friends, these are the nav links, and on the href tag also is given here to link it. Then after there is the contact button. As you can see, this is the contact button. For that also given. Then the nav tag is closed and header tag is also closed. Then moving to the main section, as you can see, I put it on div here with class info2 and info3. This is, I have written this one and this one also. As you can see, the output is like this. And here also I have given one class which I can style it more better. You have to give one class or ID to style it or link it to another website or thing. As you can see, I have given some BR text, so there could be some spacing here. So when the user comes in the website, he sees only this one part, not down this all. Moving to the next is the H2 about section. Here as you can see, about is given. This all. For that I've written this one code with div. I have put in one div also here with class also. I put in span tag. I put in, as you can see, this is the span. After that I have put in one more div tag. Actually 3 div tags are here. Then I have written this one. Then I have closed all of that and put in one more class and h2 tag with along with span, so I can put my next thing, the my works section. As you can see, this is the my works. Yeah, I have put in 2 br tags, so there will be some spacing in this one. Space is there. So these are on the image I put in along with div, and these are styles, so it can fit according to it. You can see, friends. After that I put in 3 images here. Then I put in 3 br tags. So as you can see, friends, after that I put in more 3 images, and the style is different here. As you can see, the width and height is different. And after that again I put in more 3 designs. After that I put in div tags, and in our design also I put in div tag, so I can style it according to my choice. After that I have actually comment this one whole code. Actually this one contact form thing, but I made on another contact form website, so it is not use, but still I have commented out. In later I can use it. So after that I put in more br text, and after that the main content is finished and footer is started from here. And here also I put in div text, so I can class link style it according to my choice. And as you can see, br tag I have put in here, so there will be some space here. As you can see, 4 links are here, and along with the href tag I put in class here also, so I can style it again. As you can see, so now I have completed the HTML part explanation. So let's move on to the style sheet. As you can see, I put in this one element, this one, so by which in the whole HTML web page there will be no box sizing. There will be border box sizing, and also this style will be known and text decoration, which is very important, by which, so in these links there will be no other means underline part or text decoration. Then for the body styling I put in on the items in center and justifier also in center. Minimum height I put in 100 ph, and font family I put in Poppins, and also I import the font family here also, so it can be used in here also, in there also. In HTML, you can see HTML, for the HTML part I put in scroll behavior smooth, so while scrolling it will be very smooth. Text decoration also known. And background color I put in, as you can see, black color, so I put in background color here. In front primary and front weight I put in. After that, to the navbar header. For the navbar, as you can see, in the navbar I have put in this one navbar. I put in the ID as navbar, so I have styled it like this only. For this one, as you can see, hashtag symbol is used when we style one ID. As you can see, I put in text decoration on display flex, and justify content space between array item center. Padding I put in the background color also I put in black. After for the nav styling I put in background color as this black color, and overflow also hidden. I put in again on display flex, so I can center and justify on the contents in space between. After that I put in margin 1 pixel and cursor pointer also. Cursor pointer means when I move here, as you can see the cursor has changed here. As you can see, friends, the cursor has changed, so this is the pointer thingy. After I put in on the text in center. For the nav links list items anchor text, for I put in on the anchor text color in white, and I have put in a font weight in 700. And also when we hover the thing the links, as you can see, it turns in red color and one line is shown down. For that also I put in this hover tag. This is a Fusidia thing. After that, dot logo means this one logo. For this I have also styled it, so when the cursor pointer margin also I put in width and height, so it can fit nicely, as you can see. After that, talking about the next thing is the li or list items. As you can see, I put in font family poppins again. Font weight also I put in 800, and font size I put in 13 pixels. Text decoration and color white. For the UI.nav links I put in padding inline start 0%, and for the nav links list nav links class which I put in, for that I displayed it just inline block, and padding also I put in here. For the .nav links class LIA I put in color white and position relative. Display block and transition also I put in, so when you hover it, it comes in a very good smooth way. Here next is the nav links list anchor tag. After, as you can see, I put in position absolute. For I put in after, so as you can see the one line has come when we hover it. For that I put in this one, as you can see friends, I put in this one video mark tag. Content I put in not content, and this height width I put in 100% and height 3 pixel. Top, for the top height I put in 150%, and for the background I put in white color, and transition also I put in here transform, so it transform into, as you can see, this is the empty reference. I put in transform scale x0 and transform origin from the right it goes to the left side. As you can see friends, from the right it goes to the left side. For that I put in. After that hover after also, for that I put in transform scale 1, so it becomes bigger, so it can go like that. And after that transform origin left I put in, so all together it becomes like this. So it's a very good element I put in here. After that I put in some button. For the button contact, as well as for this contact button I put in the hover tag, and when we hover it, as you can see, it becomes white color and the contact becomes red color. For that I put in this one hover tag, and for the contact anchor tag also I put in white color, and when we hover the hover button contact anchor tag, it becomes red. And for the span on the span things, as you can see, this all. For that I put in this all styles, background color, border radius, so it becomes round in the side. I put in font family also, and text align also I put in. Font size I put in, and font weight along with cursor default. And after that h2 works dot h2 slash, for that means this one all these images. For that images, as you can see, text align center I put in. And for the images also, as you can see, I put in on the in display flex and flex direction in row, so it comes the straight. If you give column, then it will come like this. For straight it come like this, as you can see friends. For the div image 2 also I put it on the thing same only, and for the 3 also, so 1 2 3 for this 3, and I put it also this one image the thumbnail design also, as you can see. So this is the thumbnails. So as you can see, when you hover it comes, it changes opacity, as you can see friends. For that also I put in the styles opacity on hover 100%, and normally it will be staying in 85%. And for the other design also I put in on the same tag only. Other designs mean this one, on these are other designs. And on the logo designs, as you can see, these are the logos. For that also I put in the same style only. After that I put in another span. That span is for this about tag, for this about thing. So let's see, the same code is here also. I copy paste it, and h2 dot about slash dot about h2. This one is for the styling of this all. You can see this also changes opacity when we hover it, so it's a very nice transition. As you can see, even this one. And for the contact which I've removed so I've not commented out. I've keep it stay like this and so like this only. And after that we have done this one. For this one, as you can see, this one effect also. For using this one effect, I have put in the same code I put in this all. As you can see, the home thing, this is a very nice element. As you can see, this is all the deep learning pro I put in this one. As you can see, transform I put in this one after, so it can transform according to it. And these are all the after text for this one only, for this all, for these two. And all these are same only. And for the input submit also, which I actually remove from the contact buttons, then I'm not comment it out, so I have to comment it out. And all of these are the commented out text for the contact button, for the contact page. As you can see, these are the styles for footer. I put in the background in black color, around padding I put in text align also I put in center. And for the anchor text also I put in color this one, and transition I put in, so when you hover on it, it comes, it can be slowly, so it looks more better. And hovering also, as you can see, this red color it becomes. So friends, talking about next is the media queries. As you can see, I put in the media queries for this all. I put in little bit of media queries. So what happens when we small it in the size, as you can see, the text becomes smaller as we go. It's becoming smaller. For that only I put in the media queries. As you can see, I put in the max width and on these things. When the max width is broken, then the font size becomes smaller. Like that only I put in on the things for different pixels. So according to me, 800 pixel or these things. As you can see, these are media queries. These are means when it break this one, then it becomes smaller like this. You can see. Until now I have completed 796 lines of code here. You can see friends, this is the website. And in HTML I have put in 184 lines of code. So as you can see, altogether this is my website, my personal portfolio. I make it my own after running some different results of HTML and CSS, as you can see friends. And all these things, if you click this one, then works in the work section it will come. After that, in about section it will go. So this is the about. After that it will go in the blog. It's a different website also, you will see. And for the contact button also I put in this one. As you can see, is a name, email, and query, and you can, like, if you type something here, and if you press this one reset button, it will get resetted. You can see friends. After that, as you can see, this is a send button, and this is the terms and use of copyright things. And if you click this one also, then also the website will come different. So you can see I put in random spam thing here. So altogether this is my personal portfolio website I made my own. And I'm just showing you one more website. As you can see, this is my e-commerce website which I tried. It's not completed till now. As you can see, this is the front page of this thing. As you can see, this is the F1 button, and these are all the things. As you can see, this here image will be here. As you can see friends, and when you hover this one, this comes. These are our things. And this is my YouTube this one channel on the website I made. You can see friends. You can see the contact button, this will come. You can see these are the videos, and about me is given, and sign up button also is given here. So that's the thing. This is my website. I hope you like the video. So friends, this is all for the website thing. I have made this whole website by myself only, by watching some YouTube and some tutorials, and also reading some books. So it took me actually almost months to complete this one. It's not enough completed also. More work is need to be done. Do like and share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click my with the notifications for the latest video updates. So thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.